Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds s and z. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then, I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them, together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the s sound in the word sue. Sue, sue. Now the z sound in the word zoo. Zoo, zoo. Now I will use them both in a sentence. I will sue the zoo. I will sue the zoo. I will sue the zoo. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!